Marine forests are vital for life in our planet as we know it. They play an important role in natural cycles, provide food and oxygen, and are home to numerous life forms, from small to large, at the surface and in the deep. But out of sight and out of mind, these vibrant ecosystems and their role in our lives remain a mystery to many. That is why Jeanne was born. Jeanne is a marine forest restoration workshop on wheels designed for school classes. Developed with schools with no nearby access to the ocean in mind, the workshop is to be held in parks using their ecological features to illustrate parallels with marine forests. Via the art of storytelling, a self-guided experience through the park, and the creation of stop-motion videos, the children not only learn about the importance of marine forests and the challenges they face, but they also get to feel like they can be part of the solutions. With Jeanne, we hope to not only expand ocean literacy, but also to empower younger generations to share the stories about marine forests they heard and created.